Hey there! Welcome to Understanding Common Core Math. This video series is designed for parents and teachers who are looking to better understand the Common Core and are looking to find ways to support kids in their development of math skills. In this video, we are going to explore standard K.NBT.A.1. This standard serves as an introduction to place value and to helping students start to develop a sense of what a number, particularly those bigger than 10, means when written using digits. Let's start with an example to illustrate what the standard is asking students to do. Suppose that we are given the number 12. The goal is to break the number 12 down into a group of 10 and then some leftover ones. Let's use some visuals to illustrate what we mean. Have your child count out 12 objects. We'll use pennies on the screen. Now, from the group of 12 pennies, have your child count out 10 pennies and put them into their own group. There should be 2 pennies left over. By doing this, we just decompose the number 12 into 10 and 2. In other words, 10 plus 2 equals 12. As an equation, this situation would be written as 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now, why do we want your student to be able to break down numbers in this way? The reason is that this process helps students develop a sense of place value and what the digits in a number actually represent. In the case of the number 12, the digit 1 actually represents a count of 10, and the digit 2 actually represents a count of 2. This is why the columns in a 2-digit number are referred to as the tens column and the ones column. Keep this in mind that this explanation is getting a little bit ahead of what your child really needs to demonstrate at this point. With your student, we are not worried too much about whether or not they are using terminology like place value or columns. However, I just wanted to help you better understand the reason for why this standard is important. Let's try another example. Suppose that we are given the number 17. Have your child count out 17 pennies. From the pile of 17 pennies, ask your child to count out a group of 10 pennies. There should be 7 pennies left over. This means that the number 17 can be decomposed or broken down into 10 and 7. In other words, 10 plus 7 equals 17. As an equation, this situation would be written as 10 plus 7 equals 17. As you work on this standard with your kid, be sure to focus on all the numbers from 11 to 19. At this point, we do not want to proceed to larger numbers. That will come in later grades. Ideally, it would be great for your child to start to notice the pattern that emerges when looking at the two numbers being added and the result. As you can see from the examples on the screen, the digit 1 from the 10 is the first digit in the answer, and the second number being added is the second digit in the answer. If your kids can recognize this pattern, then they are well on their way to internalizing the meaning of place value. Like I've mentioned in other videos, the goal is to help your child develop a strong number sense. Understanding the meaning of a number makes understanding arithmetic algorithms and algebraic procedures much easier down the road. I hope that this video helped to clarify the meaning and the purpose of standard K.NBT.A.1. I would definitely recommend doing a Google search if you are looking for some worksheets for your child to use to practice this standard. If you like this video, please take a moment to post a comment and to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to check out the other videos as well. Thanks for watching.